Hi everyone, this is Marilynn and welcome back to the Artistry Corner. This video is part of a fun collaboration called Coasting Through the Week with these amazing YouTube creators. You'll find their channels linked in the description down below, including the playlist. So be sure to check them out and see what coaster projects they've created. Today, I'm making a sunflower resin coaster set using polyurethane resin from Let's Resin. This is a super beginner friendly project to get you started with polyurethane resin. And I'll show you step by step how I build up the sunflower petals using pigments and markers to outline everything to bring the design to life. These are the products I'll be using today. The Marabou Rainbow polyurethane resin, the Let's Resin in orange, even though it looks like a mustard yellow, the Much Cute outline markers, the Carissa premium quality acrylic markers, some muslin rubber bumpers to protect all surfaces, and these are the two coasters I will be making today. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first thing we have to do is get everything ready. Number one, wear gloves. Get your cup ready. Polyurethane resin has a 2-minute work time, so this is gonna start getting warm pretty quickly. So get everything ready. Remove the caps from whatever pigments you're using. So I've already done so. My Marabou and my Let's Resin pigment in orange. I'm also going to get my coasters, which I've already washed, and something to stir the polyurethane resin. I also have this little, just in case I have any extra resin left, I have a little Hello Kitty mold that I want to get done. Now let's mix the polyurethane. I have this other little cocktail shakers that I want to make, so I'll just put it in here just in case I have anything extra. I'm gonna do about 4 ounces. So here is part A. I need 2 ounces of part A. Okay, and 2 ounces of part B. Okay, now I'm just gonna stir. The consistency starts a little thick, but then it's like watery. It's got a few striations. I know it's ready once it's getting a little bit warm, and that's when I like to throw in my pigments, any colors, sparkles. Okay. Starting to get a little bit warm, so I'm just gonna throw some Marabou. That's enough, and the pigment. Let's see if that's enough. Oh yeah, that's good, I think. A little bit more. Whoops. Okay. Okay, it should be now cured in 10 minutes. I'm gonna give it about 15 minutes. I'm gonna reuse my cup, so I'm cleaning it. Okay, now we just wait 10 to 15 minutes. I didn't have enough for these, so that's okay. Now we'll just watch the magic transform. Okay, they're ready and they are no longer warm. Okay, demolding time. Cute. They are cured. Is this warped? It's good. This one looks, I think it might have been the mold. A little bit warped. Okay, get my markers. And I chose this bronze one. do this one because it has like a dip. I'm going to assume that it was the mold. Yeah, it's the mold. So next time I just have to just put something right under it so I can, yeah. This is a bad mold. That's too bad. But I can't use this as a coaster, so that's a fail. But this one came out cute. Here's the final result of my sunflower resin coaster. I love how vibrant and happy it turned out. All the products I used today will be in the description down below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to check out all the amazing creators in this week's collaboration. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.